What's going on, everyone? In this video, we're going to be making a refreshing protein-packed spirulina smoothie bowl. Now, if you're a smoothie bowl fan, you're definitely going to love this one because it just checks all of the boxes. And the star of this show is obviously the pure Hawaiian green spirulina, which is packed with so many nutrients like iron and plant-based protein. We'll leave a link to this in the description below. And then to top off this bowl, we're going to be adding all sorts of nuts, seeds, and berries. I mean, y'all, buckle up because it is about to go down. Now, for this recipe, we're going to be using our Magic Bullet Mini because it is the perfect size for the amount that we are making. So to start off, we're adding about 1 cup of spinach, then a ½ cup of each of frozen pineapple and mango. One thing I like to do is rinse these off in the water to thaw them a bit. It just makes them a little easier to blend. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds, a teaspoon of our spirulina, and some unsweetened pea milk. Now, we love this Magic Bullet Mini. We actually received it at a Christmas party a while back, and it's just so easy and efficient to use. It doesn't take up a lot of space either. Well, you look at that, the color is just popping, and now we are ready to build our bowl. Now, as you'll see, I'm going to be adding a number of different toppings. Feel free to add whatever you would like. But in this one, we have some peanut butter granola made by Kashi, as well as blueberries, banana, coconut flakes, goji berries, toasted pumpkin seeds, and then we're going to top it off with a little drizzle of peanut butter and some hemp seeds. And look at that, folks. I mean, I just love the color contrast. And as you can see, it has over 25 grams of plant-based protein. It's also a great source of iron. So for those of you all looking to get more iron in your diet, this is a great go-to option. As you can see, the head shake tells it all. This one is definitely a winner. Now, if you're interested in more spirulina recipes, I highly recommend you check out our spirulina juice by clicking on this video here in the top right. We'll see you over there. Peace.